promise a wave of drone and missile attacks on Israel. Witnesses described loud explosions in the skies above Jerusalem and other locations as air defenses intercepted drones.
The regime of Iran fired a massive bomb over 200 kilo drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles for the face of Israel.
Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has convened a war cabinet, while Western leaders have condemned the Iranian attack. The United Nations says the Security Council will, at Israel's request, hold an emergency meeting on Sunday. We'll be hearing from our colleagues from BBC Persian, from Jerusalem, and from Washington. All here in the newsroom from the BBC in London.
Hello, I'm Chris Barrow with the BBC News. The Israeli military says Iran launched over 200 missiles and drones towards Israel, most of which it says have been intercepted. Israel says the attack is not over yet. Witnesses have described the sound of explosions as air defences intercepted multiple drones. The military confirmed that one of its bases in southern Israel sustained minor damage. Our correspondent James Landau is in Jerusalem.
Israel has been subject to a direct attack by its long-time foe, Iran. So far, the maximum number of missiles and drones that have been fired at the moment, the official figure is about 200. I would expect that number to rise. The Israeli authorities are saying that most of those missiles and drones were intercepted outside of Israel, which means that Israel has had a huge amount of help and support from its allies this night to protect it. And I think the interesting question this morning is going to be how that support is leveraged into diplomacy.
President Biden said the US has been involved in helping Israel deal with the Iranian threat, with US aircraft and ballistic missile destroyers helping Israel intercept nearly half of the incoming drones and missiles. Aaron David Miller, a former State Department advisor, said the US was in a difficult situation.
The United States, with all the tensions and anger and frustrations that the Biden administration has with the Prime Minister, there was no way out of the Israeli-Palestinian confrontation in Gaza. The U.S. was in a strategic cul-de-sac. And now I think you've got a bigger problem, which is the prospects of a major regional confrontation. And the U.S., unlike Gaza or Ukraine, the U.S. could actually, on this one, get drawn into the fight.
Iran said the attack was in response to what it called various Israeli crimes, including, it said, a strike to destroy an Iranian diplomatic compound in Syria this month.